Hello and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb set out and show you a number of its different meanings. The phrasal verb set out can mean to start doing or working on something in order to achieve an aim. A CEO is congratulating the company on achieving their goals for the year. We set out to be a major disruptor in the market, and we have achieved that with all of our hard work. A coach is talking to their basketball team. It's good to set out to win, but it's the taking part that counts. A community organization is meeting to create a mission statement. It's important that we set out our goals clearly from the beginning. Set out can also mean to put something where it can be seen or used easily. A host is preparing for visitors. I'll set out some tea and coffee in case they want some. A group of employees arrive for a training workshop. The facilitator tells them, all the materials you need are set out for you. A famous entrepreneur is asked about his morning routine. I've always set out my clothes the night before, so I don't need to think about them in the morning. I get dressed and I meditate for 15 minutes before answering emails. Set out can mean to explain, describe, or arrange something in a clear and detailed way. A company has arranged maternity cover for one of their employees. The person covering has arrived for their first day. Jane left very detailed instructions. Everything you need is set out in that document on the desk. A reporter in a newsroom is talking to their team. The PR company sent a document setting out what we can and can't ask the minister in the interview this evening. A couple has just got married. After the ceremony, the celebrant tells them, the legal documents are set out over there for you and the witnesses to sign. To set out can mean to start a journey. A colleague needs to leave early to attend a conference that afternoon. What time do you need to leave? I think I should set out after lunch to beat traffic in the afternoon. Two executives who met yesterday are leaving a hotel. What time is your flight? I'm going to set out on the road to the airport at around 4. Me too. Should we share a taxi? So, to sum up, set out can mean to start doing or working on something to achieve an aim. For example, to set out to achieve something. Put something where it can be seen or used easily. For example, asking someone to set out the cutlery for dinner. Explain, describe, or arrange something in a clear and detailed way. To set out instructions or set out the details. To start a journey. To set out on the road. Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.